Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog around the house. Well, we just went ahead and I got another can of propane for the Amber's 3 grill here. I was looking to make sure they were all firing. This one was not. You have these battery pack, so you need to check if it doesn't light. This one goes in here. I should get a good light now. Hey, what happened here? Oh, I got the freaking, I turned it off. Ain't gonna do nothing without it turned on. Alright, here we go. Oh, you make a line on me. Come on. There you go. Woo-hoo-hoo. I got it back there. Takes care of that one. That one's working. This one here. There you go. That one's working. That one wasn't, so I put no batteries in it. There we go. There's that one. And come on. There you go. All right. All three are cooking. And this thing's about 5 years old now. And see if you still light. There you go. Yeah, we very seldom use this one at all. But okay. New thing of gas. Turn them off. Off. It's on high. You got to go beyond the high to shut them down. Alright, so there we are. Another season of. I don't know what's going on here. You got a wire. Okay, here's a back view of it. This is your battery. It's your battery pack, okay? And then this is your connector that goes to all 5 of them. One, can find 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double hook to one of these, going out to the other one. But you only got 4. I count 4 wires here. All right, so there you go. That's how you where you replace the batteries in that battery pack for this grill. And you can see that battery. That is in really bad shape. Everything's made